Hey guys, welcome back to VL Infotech. Today in this video, I will show you how to promote your YouTube videos, how to make your YouTube videos viral. Before going to the video, please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. In this channel, I am going to do topics regarding all social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and regarding websites. Now let's get started. I will show you how to make your video viral and get more views and subscribers. Now first install Video Promoter app from Google Play Store. Open Google Play Store. Search for Video Promoter app. Click on Video Promoter View for view and make your video viral. Install the app. It will take 5 to 10 minutes to install. Then click on Open after installing the app. Now at the bottom there are three options: campaign, view and coin. Click on view. These are all the videos. You have to click on each video and you have to watch for 60 seconds, then you will get points. Watch the video until countdown to 0 to get 10 points. Repeat the process over and over to get more points. And after that you have to use these points to create a campaign to make your video viral. Click coin at the left bottom corner of this page. They are providing three options to get more points. First option, you can buy coins. Second option, you can get points by watching videos. And third option is invite friends and earn 250 points per each friend. Show you each option clearly. Now click on buy coin. Now if you want to buy 1500 coins, click on that. If you want to buy 3000 coins, click on that. If you face any issue while purchasing coins, click at the bottom. You purchased coins but you did not receive it, then you can email to help.captivateapps@gmail.com. They will resolve your issue. Now click on 1500 coins. For 1500 coins you have to pay $2.49 plus tax. Now if you want to buy 3000 coins, click on 3000 coins. For 3000 coins you have to pay $3.99 plus tax. If you want to buy 6000 or 12,000 coins, you have to pay $8.49 plus tax. You can buy by clicking on one tap buy at the bottom. Now if you want to earn by inviting friends, click on invite friends. For every friend you invite, you will get 250 points. In this way you can earn more points and you have to convert these points to create campaign to get more views and to make your video viral. I will show you how to create campaign and how to make your video viral. Now click on invite friends. Then you can share this link through WhatsApp or email or through Google Drive or Facebook or Instagram. If they install by using your link, then you will get 250 points. Now click on campaign. These are all the campaigns I previously created. Now I will show you how to create new campaign. Now click on create campaign at the bottom right corner of the page. Now you have to paste your video link which you want to promote. Now go to your YouTube channel and get the URL from any video which you want to promote. Now click on your channel, click on videos and select any video which you want to promote. Now click on how to pay electricity bill video. Now click on share. Then click on copy link. Then the video link will be copied. Then you have to paste the video link here and click on submit now and click on confirm. Now you will see this page. Enter number of estimated views you want. Your coins will be deducted once you create this campaign. This can't be undo. Now I have 7,450 coins. Now I am going to enter number of estimated views I want. For each view I have to pay 10 coins. Now I have 7,450 coins, so I will get 745 views. YouTube will take 24 hours of time to update views generated from other apps than YouTube itself. So please be patient and wait for 24 hours to update your views on your YouTube channel. Now campaign is successfully created. Now you can see at the top right corner my points became 0 and click on campaign which I have created. Now in this page you can see all the information about when the campaign is created and what is the status of the campaign. In this way you have to create campaign to get more views and to make your video viral. Now we will check the result whether our campaign is successful or not. Now open video promoter app. Now click on campaign and scroll down to see your campaign which we created just now. Now you can see 7 people have seen my ad, my video. Seen by 5 people. These are the 5 people who watched my video. And you can see my campaign is still in progress. By using this video promoter app, you can promote your videos and make your video viral. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I will see you in the next video. If you have any questions regarding any topic, please comment below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling. Bye bye.